Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this really cute and easy peace sign wreath. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. Let's get on with the video. What you will need for this DIY is a wreath. You don't have to use a wreath like mine. You can use any type of wreath that you want, like one that's already covered in flowers. You will also need fake flowers, a stick that you can find outside on the ground, string, scissors, and a glue gun. The first thing you want to do is to take your stick, place it onto the back of the wreath, and find where the middle of the wreath is, and where you need to break the stick at. The stick would be the middle of the peace sign. Once you found where you need to break the stick, you want to break the stick with your hands. Now you need to break two smaller sticks around the same size. These two sticks will make the two other lines of the peace sign. All you have to do now is to glue on the sticks in the shape of a peace sign onto the back of the wreath with a glue gun. I do recommend gluing the stick in the inner part of the wreath because when the sticks are glued right on the back of the wreath won't stay flat on the wall. And if you want, you can paint the sticks and the wreath any color that you want. Now you need to pull the flowers and some leaves off of its stems. I used one flower, but you can use as many flowers and leaves that you want. Before you start gluing the flowers and the leaves onto the wreath, you want to lay out the flowers and the leaves onto the wreath to see how you would like the wreath to look like. After you have found out what you want the wreath to look like, you can glue on the flowers and the leaves onto the wreath with a glue gun. The last thing you have to do is to take a piece of string and tie it into a loop, and then tie it into a knot, like how I'm doing here. If you have a similar type of wreath that I have, you will put the string through the branches of the wreath, and if you don't have string, you can also use ribbon instead. The string will be to hang the wreath on a wall or a door, and you want something like this. And that's how you make this really easy and cute peace sign wreath. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!